everyone. So, magluluto ako ngayon ng sinigang na isda. Swahi yung meron kami. So, yan yung gagamitin ko. And, magluluto ako ng soup kasi sobrang lamig na yun dito sa California. And, kailangan natin ng pampainit. Samahan niyo ako magluto. And then, kakain kami mamaya ni hubby pagdating niya. Dinner na to, guys. I-prepare ko yung mga kailangan. Pero, gamitin ko na lahat to. 4 pieces. Mga ganito na yung kinukuha namin, guys, kasi mas madali siyang linisin. Mas gusto ng asawa ko na ganitong mga isda, yung nalinis na, para hindi na raw ako mahirapan. Pero gusto ko yung bangus na sinigang. Diba, tapos may mga taba-taba pa. Ito kasi na siya, laman lang. Tapos wala na ring ulo tsaka buntot. Pang pang fillet. Chicken. Fish fillet. Tapos, ang ilalagay ko lang dito, guys, is talong and spinach. Wala akong gabi. Masarap sana kung merong gabi. Pero okay lang yan. Kung anong meron, yun ang gamitin natin, guys. So, i-slice ko lang to. Medyo frozen pa siya. Pero, siguro mag-aano to pag hinugasan ko. So, siya lang ganito. Medyo madilim. Yan. Maliwanag na ba? Nadidiliman ako. Lamig. Frozen siya. Para maano yung yellow. Yan, nugasan ko na yan. And then, mag-prepare ako ng kamatis. Ito natin ng kamatis. Kahit konti lang. Dito sa tray. Ouch. Sa Chinese store namin to nabili, guys, yung talong. Parang gusto ko circle. Circle ang hiwa. Sarap sana kung may gabi. So, wala pa may gabi. Kaiba yung talong nila guys. Walang buto. Chinese store namin ito nabili. Wala siyang buto. Tingnan nyo. Wala siyang black ba. Nakikita nyo. Diba puting-puti. Seedless. Diba dyan sa Pinas merong mga buto? Ewan ko, baka meron pero puti kasi siya. Oh, ito, meron siyang seeds. Sa bandang dulo. Nasa dulo na. Nasa dulo siya. Gusto ko may ginger. Maglalagay ako ng ginger. And garlic. Onion, syempre. Mawawala yung onion. Lalaki yung onion nila dito. Giant onion. May spring onions ako guys. Ano tiraso? Gamitin din natin to. Sayang. Ano masira. Let's use all of it. Naglagay ako ng oil. Una ko yung luya guys. Sibuyas or onion. Pipigayin ko ng ganito para talagang juicy. Don't worry, my hands are clean, so it's okay. I'll wash my hands, guys. Stir fry this fish a little bit. No, not all of it because there's let's see guys, mag-ano na siya ng tubig. So na eggplant. Muna natin guys. Let it boil. Gasan ko to. spinach ang gamit ko, guys. Let's add garlic, salt, pepper. So, mix. Sinigang mix. While waiting for that, let's make puto flan. Pandan condense. I'll put an oil. More molder. Oops. Okay na yan, guys. Lumutang na yung mga isda. See? Ganun. Daming spinach. I will use this pandan puto mix. This is the egg white. I will add it here. Milk. One cup. Butter.
Huh? Did the answer already leave or no?
Huh?
Did the answer already leave or no?
I don't know.
I mean, I don't know.
I
Like,
guess
you move stuff there, it's honestly everything.
Thanks, but oh come on, man! She's a really great woman, and she just converted to Christianity. My wife met her at the same place that she became Christian.
So then I was like, you know what? I need a new direction in my life. It's like I just got so sick of everyone being such a pussy all the time. And all this book garbage and women trying to be men. So I just started reading the Bible, you know? I mean, I didn't actually read the Bible, but I listened to a lot of podcasts. And once I went through my transition, I was like, this is great. Only now guys are always checking out my Christianity.
Sorry, could you all excuse me? I need to go to the bathroom.
that's how it looks, guys. I forgot to film earlier, but this is how it looks right now. I will put the cheese. It's so hot. Put cheese.
Like giving the injection, but you don't want to see it there every day. So I was hoping that if Dr. Ross came out of the system, that's a little better than
I don't taste the flan on the bottom.
that's a little stronger too.
Try to make like a flan cake or something.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Now what do you think? So whenever he gets back in the office, just have to give me a call. I'll be here.